Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's math period. Let us discuss a problem in mensuration of class 10. If the ratio of radii of two spheres is 4:7, find the ratio of their volumes. So what is given in the problem? Ratio of radii of two spheres is given and we have to find the ratio of their volumes. So it is given, let us take for the first sphere and second sphere. The ratio of the radii is given to be 4:7. Therefore, their value can be taken as radius 4x. Similarly here, the radius of the second sphere can be taken as 7x. Since the ratio is 4:7, their value can be taken as 4x and 7x. Now here we need to find only the ratio of their volumes. So we have to write the formula of volume of a sphere. So we know that volume of a sphere is given by is given by 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi r cube. We have to find the ratio of their volumes. That means volume of first sphere by volume of second sphere. Volume of second sphere. So which is equal to 4/3 pi. Radius of the first cube is 4x. So it is 4x the whole cube divided by 4/3 pi into radius of the second sphere is 7x. So it is 7x the whole cube. Here 4/3 pi gets cancelled. So we have 4x whole cube by 7x whole cube. So that means it is 4 cube into x cube by 7 cube into x cube. So which is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Divided by 7 cube. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 is 343. So 64 by 343, as here x cube and x cube gets cancelled. Therefore, the ratio of their volumes is given by 64 is to 343. So this is very much easy. So if we understand what is given and what we have to find and all the formulae regarding mensuration, if we know the formulae, the problem is easy to calculate. Thank you.